Welcome to Cooking with Miss Q.
And today we'll be making English muffin pizza.
I'm Dylan.
I'm Drew. Let's get started. You need to preheat your oven to 400 degrees.
Second, you need to take the cheese and the sauce off because they're not going in the oven.
Then you gotta split your English muffins. First, you gotta take baby tears. So don't try to rip them off. Just take baby tears. Until they are equally split like so. Open the oven all the way.
Second, put your English muffins in the oven. Come from the side and make sure to have a great squat.
And you're gonna set your timer to 1 to 2 minutes, just to give it a nice toast.
When they look ready, turn off the timer, but not the oven.
Then put them nicely on the hot pad. You're gonna need your sauce. Take about a tablespoon and then spread it on your English muffin.
And then you're going to take the cheese and sprinkle it.
Okay, so if you want pepperoni, just ask Miss Q. Set your timer for 7 minutes.
And then you're going to put in your English muffin pizzas
In the oven for that long. When your timer rings, take out the English muffins and put them on a hot pad.
You want to make sure to turn off your timer and your oven. Okay, so you're going to take off your English muffin pizzas and put them on the plate. Might have some difficulty if you put too much cheese because it gets stuck to the pan and it's hard to get off.
Okay, so the spices that we have here are garlic, pepper, and oregano leaves. These are used to make your pizza taste either spicier or maybe have more savory to it. So this is what you would use if you need more flavor.
This has been another episode with Miss Q.
Enjoy.